In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of the WealthSimple app. Whether you're just getting started with investing or you're already an experienced investor looking for a streamlined, user-friendly platform, WealthSimple offers a simple and accessible solution. I've been using the app for a while now, and I'll walk you through its features, what I like about it, and some things to keep in mind if you're thinking about giving it a try. WealthSimple is a Canadian-based investment app that's built for people who want to invest without all the complexity. The first thing you'll notice when you open the app is how easy it is to navigate. The interface is clean, modern, and minimalistic, making it beginner-friendly without overwhelming you with too much information. Whether you're looking to open a general investment account, an RRSP, registered retirement savings plan, or even a TFSA, tax-free savings account, in Canada, the setup process is quick and easy. One of the key features of WealthSimple is its automated investing through robo-advisors. After answering a few questions about your risk tolerance, time horizon, and investment goals, the app automatically builds a portfolio tailored to you. It takes care of everything from asset allocation to rebalancing, so you don't have to worry about adjusting your investments yourself. This hands-off approach is perfect for those who want to grow their wealth without spending too much time on research or active trading. Another strong point is WealthSimple's low fees. Compared to traditional financial advisors, WealthSimple's management fees are really affordable. On top of that, the platform offers commission-free trading for stocks and ETFs, which is ideal for anyone who prefers not to pay for every single trade. They also offer a WealthSimple trade feature, which allows you to buy and sell stocks and ETFs with no commissions, making it a great option for active traders who want to keep their costs low. WealthSimple also offers a high-interest savings account called WealthSimple Save, which is a solid option if you're looking for a place to park your cash while earning a decent return. The interest rate is competitive, and you can access your funds at any time, making it a good alternative to traditional savings accounts. Now, no app is perfect, and there are a few things to keep in mind. While WealthSimple offers some great features for beginners and people who prefer a hands-off approach, it might not be the best fit for more advanced investors. The platform doesn't offer a ton of customization options when it comes to creating your own portfolio or actively choosing individual stocks. So, if you're looking for full control over your investments, this might not be the right app for you. Additionally, while the app is easy to use, there have been occasional reports of slower customer service response times, which could be frustrating if you ever run into an issue that needs immediate attention.